Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Eufy Security app for doorbell and cameras, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Eufy Security app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. Locate the login button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the login button. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Now, input your password in the next field. Ensure that your credentials are correct. If you forgot your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. After entering your email and password, tap on the Login button again. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home screen of the app. Here, you can view and manage your connected doorbell and cameras. If you encounter any issues during login, check your internet connection. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the app. With successful login, you are now ready to utilize all features of the Eufy Security app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.